If you find yourself unable to access your Wise account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Go to the official Wise website and click on the login option. Enter your email address associated with your account and click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Check your email. After clicking the Forgot Password link, check your email inbox for password reset email from Wise. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. If you cannot access your email, look for alternative recovery options provided by Wise. This may include answering security questions or using a backup email or phone number linked to your account. Step 4. Contact Wise support. If the above steps do not work, reach out to Wise customer support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to verify your identity. They may ask for identification documents. Step 5. Follow support instructions. Once you have contacted support, follow their instructions carefully. They may guide you through additional verification steps or provide further options to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Wise's customer support team.